Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Who you think Jesus be? You get the revelation yet? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 16 from verse 13 to verse 20. When Jesus catch a Caesarea Philippi area, him ask him follower them say, who the people them say the man where God pick be? Them answer back. Some say John the Baptist. Other people say Elijah. Then you have some who say Jeremiah or one of the prophets then. So he said to them, say, but what about Uno? Who Uno think me be? Simon Peter said, you are the Christ, the God we alive, boy pick me. So then Jesus said to him, say, Simon, Jonah boy pick me, you're blessed. Because I know normal people make you know that. But I feel my Father way in heaven tell you that. And here we may say, no, you're Peter, one rock. And upon this here rock, I go build for my church. And no power down a hell. Nah, go can mash that up. I will give you the key for God's kingdom. Anything where you say nothing go on earth, and that God would have said already. And anything where you say, yeah, that can go on, God would allow that to go on already. Then Jesus warned him follow them. Not to tell nobody. Say him are the one where God sent to save people. Say him are the Christ. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.